Most people in this space haven't been tested. I have. In 2022, we got it wrong. We got crushed. My name is Shannon Knox. I've been in the markets for over 3 decades, and I've seen exactly what happens when a platform is built the wrong way. I'm not talking about a bad stretch. I'm talking about the kind of failure that forces you to step back and ask, what actually broke? It wasn't the markets. It wasn't even our system. It was our structure. We built something that could perform. We had made money, real money previously, but we didn't have something that could endure. And those are two very different things. Anyone can operate in a bull market, but the bears, that's where everything gets exposed. So we stopped. We didn't trade our way out of it. We didn't push through it. We tore everything down and we rebuilt it. First, how capital moves, how risk is enforced, how the system behaves under pressure. Because performance doesn't matter if the structure behind it breaks. Drawdowns will come. Losses happen. But there's a difference between a losing month and losing control. Now, everything that we have built is for durability. Structure first, risk enforced, capital controlled. We operate for the quarter, not for the moment. For context, this is informational. We work with operators, allocators, accredited investors, all within our structured capital programs. If you've ever taken a real hit in business, you already know. It's not the upside that defines you. It's whether you're built to survive the downside. Because markets don't reward performance. They expose weaknesses. And if your structure isn't right, it's only a matter of time.